Hey everyone, having trouble with your Boost mobile payments? You're not alone. Let's break down the most common issues: declined cards, autopay failures, and billing errors. Declined cards. This usually happens because of insufficient funds, an expired card, or a security block from your bank. For example, if your card has expired or your bank flags the transaction for security, Boost Mobile won't be able to process the payment. Autopay failures. These often stem from outdated card info, account freezes, or even glitches in the Boost mobile app. Boost should send you a heads up 7 days before your payment is due to help prevent this. For instance, if your card details changed or there's an app bug, autopay might fail, leading to service interruptions. Billing issues. Keep an eye out for mismatched charges, double billing, or plan changes not reflecting correctly in your payment amount. These can be a pain to sort out, but knowing what to look for is half the battle. An example might be seeing a charge that doesn't match your expected plan cost. Key takeaway: identify the specific problem you're facing. Is it a card issue, autopay, or a billing discrepancy? This will help you focus your troubleshooting efforts. All right, now let's get into fixing these payment problems. Here's your action plan. First, log into the Boost mobile app or website. Go to Billing and then Payment Methods. Double-check your card details, expiration date, and CVV. If anything is off, update it or add a new payment method. If updating your info doesn't work, it's time to call in the experts. Dial 1-888-BOOST-4U or use the live chat feature on their website or app. Don't hesitate to ask to speak with a supervisor if the initial rep can't resolve your issue. Try clearing the Boost mobile app's cache, restarting your device, and making sure you're on the latest version of the app. For card-related issues, contact your bank to see if they're blocking the transaction. They might have flagged it as suspicious. Key takeaway: proactive maintenance and clear communication are essential. Keep your payment info up to date and don't hesitate to contact Boost Mobile support when you need help.